Hey there, financial wizards. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money matters into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to close your Netspend account in 2025. If you're looking to tidy up your finances, switch to a new banking option, or just say goodbye to that old prepaid card, you're in the right place. Netspend is a popular prepaid debit card service, but closing an account can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, before you dive in, make sure you have a few things ready. Access to your Netspend account, any linked bank details, and perhaps a quick note of your account number. Why 2025? Well, as we move into the future, Netspend might have updated their processes for better security and efficiency, so let's keep it current. Step 1. Log into your Netspend account through their official website or mobile app. If you haven't logged in recently, double-check your credentials or use the password recovery option. Once you're in, head over to the account settings or dashboard section. Step 2. Review your account balance. You don't want any surprises, so ensure there are no pending transactions, fees, or funds left. If there's money in your account, transfer it out to another account or request a check from Netspend. Remember, in 2025, they might have streamlined this with quicker withdrawal options. Step 3. Look for the Close Account option, which is usually under Settings or Customer Service. If you can't find it, don't panic. Contact Netspend's support team directly. You can call their helpline or use the chat feature in the app. Be prepared to verify your identity with details like your social security number or account PIN. Step 4. Follow the prompts to confirm closure. They'll likely ask you to acknowledge any final terms, like outstanding fees or agreements. Once submitted, wait for a confirmation email or message. Keep that as your record. A quick tip. Always check for any closure fees, as policies can change. In 2025, Netspend might offer more user-friendly options, like instant closures via biometrics. After closing, monitor your credit reports just in case. And there you have it. That's how you close your Netspend account smoothly in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and take care of your money.